In a town where clocks breathe, a timid tailor named Noodle stitches time itself into patchwork good vibes. One morning, the clockfish in the thimble see hiccups and releases bubbles that rearrange memories into jelly desserts. Noodle teams with a sarcastic, actually serious seagull and an invisible librarian to chase the bubbles through rain that tastes like lemonade. They discover the hiccups are caused by a grumpy moon adjusting its glow to match Wednesday's socks, creating glittery paradoxes. With a roar of giggles, they seal time back, promising future mischief, but only on Tuesdays when socks align.